I have always had this really huge passion to make sure that I could make learning solution-focused brief therapy easier for you. I want to make training materials more accessible for you. And about 3 years ago, in order to accomplish this, I started a video series that I called SFBT Moments, which is short video clips of me explaining really important, really critical bits about solution-focused brief therapy. Now, over the years, I've now accumulated almost 200 videos, and I get emails from people all the time asking me, at some point in one of your videos, you said that this approach is effective with couples, and do you know which video it was? Or in one video, you used such and such as an example. Do you know what video that was in? And there's so many videos, I can't remember which one that it is. So today, I've got this really cool announcement, and I'm so excited about it. My team and I, my tech team and I have been working really hard over the past several weeks, months in fact, that we have now added a search tool to my website. So all you have to do is go to the search tool, put in the keyword, and not only will it put up the video you're looking for, but it'll pull up the exact moment in the video when I said the thing you're looking for. So think about how cool that is for a moment. So imagine if you're thinking, gosh, I want to learn a little bit about the best host question. You go to my website, you go into the search tool, and you put in best hoax. And you hit enter, and then all of the times where I've said the best hoax and explained what this was will come up, and you just hit play, and it not only will it play the video, but it'll play the exact moment in the video when I said this. This is an absolute game changer. It turns my video library into a searchable tool where you can find the resources that you need. So if you're wondering, how do I use solution-focused brief therapy with couples, just put in solution-focused with couples, and you will see the exact moment in the video where I started to explain how this works. Isn't this amazing? I am so excited about this because it's going to allow you to be able to have access and be efficient with your time and get right to what you need to know from my video library. And then as the library grows, so too does your ability to search it. This is really cool. I hope you guys enjoy it. Head on over to my website, www.elliottconnie.com. You can see it over my head right here. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see where you can use this search tool. This is going to take your solution-focused brief therapy learning to the next level, and I am so excited. Have fun.